Guys, I do not need another white shirt, but here we go. Picture this gorgeous pink marble with chrome. So this is Moen. Fashion Nova always comes through, right? Basically, I have this track system and I'm just going like this and then putting it in. Now you can choose to put it in this hook or the bottom hook, but I like the top hook. Oil would be good for the tips because it just breaks like crazy. Stuff like this makes your home look luxe. It makes your home look expensive, right? Look at this cute like layering lamp. Home Goods gets me every time. Sometimes it doesn't though, that's a lie, but I definitely need to replace that little lamp, but let's see what other lamps they have. And I did have everything I needed. Like I had the marble trays, the 3-tiered dishes, the white bowls. So I don't think I need anything for party entertainment. My bar is stacked, but I love the housewares at Home Goods. All the silver, like that one's really nice. Okay, so the lamp I had was like that, and my dog jumped up. But look at these cute little lamps. I bought one of those rechargeable like photo lights that you put on your wall. It's like I can never keep it charged. So it's like the idea is there, but if you're like a type B personality like me, and you're not Mrs. Prepared like you should be, it's gonna stay dead. You know what I'm saying? Look at that gold lamp, it's nice. I also like this little 90s, 80s. I have something like this already in my bedroom. This one's nice though, because these are glass pieces where the other one is plastic. This pretty plate, $5. I have enough plates. I like the little black collection. Just cute. I think what I got from Home Goods, I don't like. Because I'm realizing when your space is kind of big, you need bigger items to make your room feel more important. So I'm going to show you what I got in a minute, and we're going to go to Home Goods and return them. We're gonna bring my husband along this time and we're gonna pick out something new. But first, okay, you see these curtains back here? I got them on Craigslist. I got them in a really affluent area. They're really beautiful. They're like pinch pleat. But one of the curtains, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know how I stained it up, but it stained. And I have an extra one that I took from my son's room. So we're gonna remove this one. And they're actually like really nice, somebody's custom drapes. I'm not really a fan of the buttery, creamy yellow. I like more of a greige. Like I repainted this whole room in the color Lime Wash by Sherwin-Williams. It's like a gray beige. This is a little too beige, but anyhow, this is what we have. I got them for a steal. I think I got like 7 panels for $350, and she said she paid like over $5K to have them custom made. And I believe her because she's from Atherton, which is this really, really expensive bougie area, like where like all the billionaires in tech, they live there. Anyhow, so I got these, so we are gonna take them down. Actually, we're not gonna take all of them down, we're just gonna take the stained one down. Each of them has a little hook on the back, like this. So I'm gonna take all the hooks off, all these little hooks, and I'm gonna replace them. Got them all up for all the pins, and now I'm just gonna reinsert them. This part is not fun, guys. Not fun at all, but we will do it. I have this track system, and I'm just going like this and then putting it in. Now you can choose to put it in this hook or the bottom hook, but I like the top hook. And then you just continue. Okay, I did get these jeans from good old Fashion Nova. You know, Fashion Nova always comes through, right? If you want some cheap jeans, go for Fashion Nova. I did also get some more expensive ones from Nordstrom Rack, or just like some basic ones. But I want to share with you guys what I got from Home Goods and what I'm taking back. Because what I'm realizing is you got to go big. It's like if your house is big, even if it's small, you have to have big, oversized things. Like for example, Look at this. Stuff like this makes your home look luxe. It makes your home look expensive, right? So what I did wrong when I went to Home Goods, I picked up things like this. Like, look, I love this gorgeous lamp. I love a good 90s moment. I love a good 80s moment, but it's just too small and dwarfed. And I'm gonna show you when I put it over there how it looks. And then I got this, which I think I'm gonna use for my daughter's bathroom remodel. I may keep it because, hold on, let me show you. Okay, so I have a lamp addiction, okay? So she was using this, but I feel like it's a little bulky for the bathroom counter. I feel like something like this is more apropos, just like the dimensions are a little slimmer. So I am gonna keep this. This is mine already. But I'm taking back this one because it's just too small. If it was really tall and big, I would keep it, but it's just too small. All right, so then I got this because I'm like definitely in my hosting era with this house. Like it's the perfect place to host because there's a pool, there's a covered deck, different eating areas. And so I have one 3-tiered pedestal, but it's a little small. My stuff always falls off. So I got this one, and I think this was 30 bucks, not bad. So I got that. And what I wanna do is I wanna show you guys everything I got from Sephora. Okay, and what I'm realizing is I used to make all the skincare, and I probably should start again because I'm buying these products that have these active ingredients in them, and I know I can make them at home and make them way stronger, which is what I used to do, but I kind of stopped, you know, because when I moved out here, a lot of the bags, I lost the labels. I wasn't sure which powder was what. Things were expired. So I think I'm gonna start over and buy a lot of these active ingredients. But first I got the Ordinary Niacinamide, which I definitely can make, but the Ordinary is super affordable. New foundation in the color medium. The person there matched me because my other foundation, it makes me like get pimples. And I rarely ever use foundation, maybe like once every 6 months. But I just need something new, nothing expired. Then I got from Naturium, azelaic topical acid, 10%. I figured like 10%, that's pretty strong. And I used to make my own azelaic acid cream as well. But I got that because you know that girl, she's on YouTube actually. So yeah, it looks pretty. The packaging is cute. Then I got keratin healing oil because my hair, you guys, I have alopecia so bad, and there's only so much I can do, but I figure like a nice oil will be good for the tips because it just breaks like crazy. And then at the counter, they had this moisture surge, which I couldn't resist. Illuminating. I don't know what it's actually gonna do. Last 2 items I got were this Kristen S shampoos because I feel like they smell super good. But I want to show you one more item. Oh, Naked Wardrobe. They have it at Nordstrom, which I was so surprised. But I like how it's like tapered at the waist. Can you see that? Can you see this little tapered part? So I got one in black, one in white. The quality is amazing, very thick. It's not see-through. I love the tapered waist. Then, so you know I'm doing the bathroom remodel. I found 200 pink genuine marble tiles. All right, basically look. Picture this. Picture this gorgeous pink marble with chrome. So this is Moen, and I think the combination is gonna be just beautiful. So anyways, we're gonna go back to Home Goods and I'm gonna return that lamp because I want something big. But do you see what I mean? How like the lamps, they're like a little too small for the space. That's why I feel like you need to go oversize. The lamp that I wanted to get is gone. I'm kind of upset. It was a one-off, had like that. Oh no, it's right here. There it is. Okay, so they didn't have any lamps with this really nice UFO space age type, but I just went for this one. It's like the Ralph Lauren brand, and it has a gold top, and it has the right amount of height because these ceilings are so tall. You really need something tall, otherwise it just gets forgotten. And so yeah, a cute little moment. I'm not too fond of this leather. But the base is gold. You can't really tell because of lighting, the way it's lit, but I think this is definitely better than what was there. I'm gonna save this one for when we do our bathroom remodel. I like the scallop. I think it's perfect for a little girl's powder room. So I will see you guys next time.